Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon bee. What's that you're hearing today? Maybe some buzzing, because that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be working on a cartoon bee. This is John-Marc, and I'm going to go through step by step and how I created this really fun, cute bee. Well, basic structures looking out for again. I create the head and the body, and now I'm working on one of the wings. Overall, it's a very, very quick little sketch, but a little detail with the face. And a lot of fun factor because I actually use this one in several different merchandise that I've used in the past, from calendars to even ties and mugs and greeting cards. Been selling around nationwide for several years. So with this little bee, let's get back to the study. So I have the basic shape done. Now I'm working on the eyebrows and the expression. Once more, that crosshair is really critical when sketching. And let's get that mouth wide open and big. There we go. And as you can remember, if you look very carefully in the very beginning, my sketching was very light. And now I'm going a little darker once again. And I like to always use that lip on the bottom, that gives that dimension. Let's give this little bumblebee a little fur. I enjoy watching bumblebees outside and taking pictures of my flowers in my garden. All right, let's get around his face there. And this one's going to be inked in Illustrator, and it's going to be airbrushed in Photoshop. As a kid, I grew up back in 7th grade learning airbrushing, and I just fell in love with it, and I airbrushed ever since. Now with the advent of computer, it even brings the tools greater with my airbrushing techniques. But the tool is a tool, and a computer is a tool. You don't become an artist by owning a computer. You need to be an artist before you have a computer. That's a little known fact. All right, let's get the little belly with his black stripe there. Got his antennas already all jazzed up there right now. I'm working on his belly. Let's work on his first leg right now. And this is a stylized version of a bee. If you go to an anatomy book on bees, you could see how they actually look, and they're kind of cool when you get those close-ups and microscopes and see all the fur and the stuff in their shape. You should check it out sometime. It's really cool. All right, I'm going to shade in the back one to give that depth, separating the two of his little legs there from each other. All right, let's get a little bit darker on there. A little darker on the body. I'm getting more understanding. And what you'll see, keep a note on the color version, the wing, I made it kind of transparent so you see through, and you'll see the body of the bee there too. It's pretty cool. All right, now just shading in the area where the body is, that little stripe of his. And it's just redoing the little wing right now. Getting it all nice and outlined. Get the one in the back. Again, a sketch, and I'm not erasing anything. In this case, I'm just over each line, just making it very easy for me to see what I need to ink in. And if I'm not too sure, I might come back and make it a little bit more darker and definite. All right, well, make sure you sign it and date it. And thanks for watching again. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey, I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.